Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, more on the internet. This is the last chapter of our syllabus of standard 7. Okay, in this we will learn some basic part like chat, instant messaging and news group. Okay, so first we are going to learn chat rooms. Okay, so chat rooms means what? A chat room is a service in which multiple users talk to each other in a real time by posting the messages on particular topic. Okay, there are different kinds of chat rooms are there. For example, icq.com, delphiforums.com, paltalk.com in India, teenchat.com, chatcro.in, allindiachat.com. These are the some websites are there in that people can talk same time and they can post a particular message and everyone can see whoever joined that group, they can chat to each other. Okay, so this is called the chat rooms. Instant messaging means what? At the same time you can send the message also. You can say I am. It is common service over the internet and allows you to instant message transmission of the text based on message. For example, right now we are using different applications, uh, Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, uh, then Facebook Messenger, Skype, right? These are called instant messaging apps. Okay, so we can send many messages or anything at the same time. So using this, what we can do and what we cannot do. So when you do chatting on internet, do not share your real name. Okay, use your nickname. Always check the terms, condition and privacy statements of any applications and anything whoever you join the on internet. Okay, you have to use the decent language while you talk to anyone. Next, do not share your personal information like your email ID, your contact number, your personal photos like your Aadhaar card, your father's bank details, your bank details. You cannot share on internet or chat rooms. Okay. Do not agree to meet someone you have only talked in chat rooms. Okay. So do not share your information to anyone else. Okay. So we have to make some privacy statement share. Okay. Next is news group. News group means we can. It is similar to emails. In this, messages are not posted to somebody's mailbox, but it is put on the bulletin board where any the members who join that bulletin can read anytime. Okay, and the difference between news group and the chat rooms are, in the news group communication is not the instant. In this, communication is not instant. Anyone when they get the spare time, they can read and they can send the message or do the comments, while in chat rooms they can do the instant messaging. Okay, so this is the difference between chat rooms and news groups. These are the some news groups are there like science news, alternative, computer, miscellaneous. Okay, so these are the some categories are there. Next is blog or a web blog. Blog or a web blog is a website on which articles are posted regularly and displayed in the reverse sequential order. Okay, for example, if you see here, we have here, see option is there. You can say create a blog. You can create your own blogging from the create blogger, and from this we can do this some, you can create your own blogging like a website. Okay, it is free. Any website you have to pay for the server and you have to pay for your creative website, but here on the blogging you can create free website or you can create your own blog. Okay, so it is called a blogging. Okay, although the blog, maintaining a blog or editing article on an existing blog is called the blogging. Okay, next, web feed or news feed. A web feed or a news feed is a facility that informs you to when a website are interested in has a new content. Sometimes you get the notification or Instagram or anything that someone has posted the message, so it is called the news feed. Okay, the program or website that allows you to keep up with the new content from the website is called the web feeder or news feeder, and you can subscribe for that. Okay, so there are different news feeders are also there on the market. Now, social networking. There are social networking website, and social networking means the application or website which gives us the facility to communicate with each other. For example, Facebook, MySpace, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. These are some social networking websites. Okay, the first social networking website was 6 degrees, and it is created between 1970 to 2001. It came from the Friendster in 2002, then MySpace is 2003, and Facebook 2004, and Twitter 2006. Today the most popular social networking website is Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, okay, Twitter. These are the most famous websites or social networking websites are them. Now we are going to talk about the Facebook. Facebook is a very popular social networking website. It was founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg. He was a student of a Harvard University, USA. Okay, you can see here. Let's log in this, like a Facebook. Okay, you can create here Facebook. You can click it and you can log in here. So you can see the Facebook. And I know that you're using the Facebook like this is okay. This way you can create the Facebook. You can create your page also. This is your news feed. Okay, if you click here, you can see different kinds of pages also. Okay, so this is about the all Facebook. You can see here different groups, friends, and different kinds of any. You can see also news from here. Okay, then you can see here if you have created a page, you can, it will display here pages you can sponsor. Okay, everything will be displayed. So this is all called the social networking website Facebook. Okay, now next is MySpace. Okay, the MySpace was started by the Tom Anderson in July 2003. Between 2005 and 2008 it was the most popular social networking website. Okay, so let's learn about the MySpace. Okay, so go to the here, type here MySpace and press the enter. You will see here MySpace. For this you have to create, first you have to sign in, and you can see different kinds of videos also. Like if you have to create any video, you can just click here. Okay, so that you, if you want to sign in, if you have created any email ID, then you can click. If you don't, then click here joining. Then you can create using the three options here, there, from the Facebook, from the Twitter, and from the email. Okay, so these are the different ways to create a MySpace. It is same way you can do some messaging, you can share music, you can read any video, you can see any videos, and also you can share your own videos, images. Okay, in this. Next point is we are going to learn is Twitter. Twitter is created by Mark Jack Dorsey in 2006. It is a social networking service that allows you to communicate by sending short text message up to 140 characters long. Okay, so let's see how it will see here. For example, we are going to click here and type here Twitter. Twitter. Okay, now click here on the Twitter. You can log into Twitter and you can see some notification, messaging, and also you can click on the home by seeing the video. Okay, so this is all about the Twitter. Okay, Twitter means whatever you type here, it will be in a short form, short message up to 140 characters. Most people use Twitter to inform other about the latest happening in their lives. However, it is the most also played a social role by happening organized protest. Okay, now next, other services like greetings. You use the WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. Also it is social networking website to share information on the social medias. Okay, now other services like on the internet you can share some e-greetings also. Like for the India we have e-greetings website also there. Type here and type e greeting cards. Okay, and when you click on the greetings.gov.in, that this is the government e-greetings. Okay, whatever is recent and upcoming greetings are there, you can see upcoming festivals like this. Okay, you can click it and you can directly send this, edit the card also as per your requirement. You can type here anything and you can right click it and you can save the image also. And you can, if you want to edit that, then you can click the color, select the specific color, and drop the color at any place that you want. Okay, okay, and you can see it like this. Drawing the line and put the particular line. Okay, so this way we can create the color and we can edit the text also. So this is called the e-greetings festival, heritage ministry, like Delhi High Court. Okay, so these are the different images are there, celebration. So for example, Mother's Day, so you can see here different images are there, ready images. You can click here and you can download it from right clicking and you can save as image. Okay, so this is about the e-greetings on the internet. Now you can see you can play online games also. Okay, for example you can play games shooter games also, like right here online gaming. Okay, so there are the website online gaming with different games, websites are there. Okay, click on that, you can see all kinds of gamings here. but for that you should have a specific high-speed internet connection. Okay, then you should have a proper hardware, gaming control devices like Xbox, PlayStation, joystick, and gaming softwares you required, and latest flashware and web browser you needed to play online games. Okay, there are multiplayer games are there. It needs a MMORPG, means massive multiplayer online role playing gaming games. Okay, next is online telephony. Online telephony, online telephony means it is an the services technology that allows user to make telephone calls over the internet. Like we can make video calls from video call and audio call using the Facebook, using the Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. So this is called the online telephony. Okay, and for this, before 5 to 6 years, the Skype is there to make video calls online. Okay, and then after the different applications are there like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram gives us the facility to make video calls, but the Skype was the first video calling software. Okay, next, FTP means file transfer protocol. Whatever you share on the internet, it is responsible, FTP responsible to share information on internet, so it is called a file transfer protocol. Okay, next is cloud computing. Cloud computing means it is a technology that allows the user and the central remote servers to hold the data and applications. For example, Google Drive, okay, Microsoft Office 365, Think3, okay, then Apple cloud computing is there. So it is called the online saving your data. Next one is OneDrive, same as the Google Drive is known as a OneDrive. Picasa is a free photo management software from Google. It gives us the facility to see all the photos from the computers. We can also edit the photos. Okay, and the last one is a YouTube. So we can see here, you all are familiar with the YouTube. Okay, so click on the YouTube. YouTube allows people to discover a different to discover a different to discover a watch and share some information. Also you can create videos, also you can upload the videos. Okay, the founder of YouTube were three: Steve Chen, Chad Hurley, and Javed Karim. At the dinner party in San Francisco, they got the idea of starting the website to allow sharing of video clips that were too big to be sent over the emails. The first video on YouTube was sent was me at zoo me at the zoo. This was the first video on the YouTube that was uploaded on internet. It is about the 618. This was the first year uploaded before 15 years. So you can see here, this was the first video uploaded on the internet.
Alright, so
Okay,
here we are in front of the elephants.
San DJ. This was the
Cool thing
first
about
video on
these guys
YouTube.
is
Maybe
that
it's the
looks like
time
they
to
have
go back to
really,
the okay.
really long
So done.
trunks.
So this is all about the YouTube. Now, in the according to some history, this led to birth of YouTube in 2005. In 2006, Google purchased it for $1.65 billion. Okay, now every minute 24 hours of video is uploaded on YouTube. It is believed that an average internet user spend at least 50 minutes on YouTube daily. So this is all about the YouTube. Okay, and the social networking website. So student, this is all about the more on internet. On the internet we have learned different applications and different technologies which are used on the internet. Okay, after this I'm going to solve the exercise of this chapter. Okay, this was the first social networking website for 6 degrees. Facebook was launched in 2004. This was started by Tom Anderson. MySpace. This is the most popular internet telephony software. Skype. This is the simplest and most secure way to exchange files over the internet. FTP. Twitter was created by Tom Anderson. False. You can also send greeting cards over the internet. True. OneDrive is hosted by Microsoft Corporation. True. An online file sharing service provides a way to store and access information on the cloud rather than locally on a hard drive. True. FTP is a technology that allows users to make telephone calls over the internet. True. Which of the following websites offer chat room facility? Both teenchat.com and parktalk.com. Which of the following are news group categories? All of these. Individual articles on the blogs are called blog post. Which of the following is a free photo management software from Google? Picasa. Dash allows people to watch and share self-created videos. YouTube. Mention any 2 points that should be kept in mind while chatting online. Use a chat nickname, not your real name, and use decent language while talking. What is the difference between chat rooms and news groups? Using chat rooms, multiple users talk to each other in the real time, while news group messaging is not instant. Means at the same time you cannot post different messages. What is web feeder? The program or website that allows you to keep up with the new content from the website of your interest is called a feed reader or news web feeder. What are the requirements for online gaming? A high-speed internet connection, proper hardware, gaming control devices, gaming softwares and latest flash player and web browser. What do you mean by online telephony? Online telephony is a technology that allows user to make telephone calls over the internet like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a telephony technology that uses the internet and central servers to hold data and applications like Google Drive. Give the full form of FTP, File Transfer Protocol. What is the uses of Picasa software? Picasa is a free photo management software from Google. It is used to view and organize all the photos, and it can be also used for sharing the photos in the wave albums. Okay students, this is all about chapter number 6, more on the internet. Okay, write down this exercise in your notebook. Okay, and we have completed the syllabus of the computer. Okay, thank you, bye.